What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're changing the fog lights on the truck. So here's the package. As you guys know, this is where I got my lighting from, is from M&R Automotive Lighting. So here's the package. They made custom brackets that I don't know exactly how they're going to fit in there, but I'm not a light guy, so I'm going to someone that's going to be installing these. You get some wire harnesses, and then I'm going to show you real quick what the lights look like. So they have amber backlighting. And they're these like single pod lights. So I don't know how this gets done or anything like that, but the guy that's installing it is the same guy that did my light bar, and he did the pillar lights that you see up there. So you can take a quick look. This is what the regular fog lights look like, and they're going to be changing very soon. So I'm excited to see how they turn out. So this is the current setup. You guys know I run the Taser, so I have the amber with the hood scoop lights, and you see these white fog lights. So this is what it looks like at night. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how the fog lights turned out. I actually really love the look. If you've probably seen it on Instagram if you follow me on there. If not, it's Lago_SRT. Probably gonna change that name soon, maybe to some TRX, I don't know. But let me show you how the fog lights turned out. So this is how they turned out. So there's an install video. I'm gonna post it in the link. It's not me, it's the company that you know, makes the lights, the pillar lights, the light bar, and these fog lights. So they have an install video. I'm gonna put that in the description if you want to check that out. That's why I didn't do an install video. Plus I don't really know how to solder wires and do all this stuff. So basically now it's pod lights. So we ended up I'm gonna see how long they last. I don't know, you know, how long these lights are gonna last, but ended up wiring this to the DRLs, and so the amber lights are always on, just with like the rest of the truck with the hood scoop. The amber DRLs, and then these side markers. So that's the look of it. And then we actually ended up, so this is actually pretty cool. So it is amber like background lights, and then if I throw on my headlights and I turn on my fog lights, then you get the white light, which is pretty cool. And then say if I turn the fog lights off, it goes back to amber. So I like the way we really wired it. I didn't have to waste any switches. He tapped into some stuff. Like I said, I don't really know how to wire it, but I mean, if you do, you can probably watch the install video and kind of figure it out yourself. But yeah, so I love the way the fog lights came out. There is a discount code, so I am sponsored by this light company, M&R. So if you want to, it's just Lago TRX. And yeah, so the discount code is Lago TRX. It saves you 10%. So if you're interested, definitely, you know, go hit them up. Like I said, I'm gonna post everything in the description, so I'll post a link to the lights and everything like that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like at night. Hopefully it doesn't come out too shitty on the GoPro. So you can see I got the amber. Ooh, I got the headlights on. You can see, oh man, it's like getting right in the camera, but you can see the amber fog lights right there. And then, so if I turn on my fog lights, which getting into my truck, see me touch, this GoPro sucks. Turn on the fog lights. Wow, you can see how much brighter it is already. And you can see they turn to white. So this is the night view of what it looks like when you turn on your fog lights. So I love the way it's wired up. So that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you guys checking it out. I know the GoPro is not great at night. I'm still messing with the settings, so hopefully this video will be better than the last one. And then stay tuned, because I am changing the wheels. They're actually changed right now, but you're gonna have to watch the next video to see you know, what wheels I threw on. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.